For centuries, the moon has been an unwavering companion, a constant presence in the night sky. Its slow and graceful orbit has inspired poetry, myths, and scientific curiosity. But the relationship between Earth and the moon is more than just a celestial dance. It's a fundamental part of the systems that sustain life on Earth. The moon stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, regulates our tides, and even plays a role in our planet's very rotation. But what if this relationship changed? What if the moon orbited Earth much faster? What if the time it takes the moon to make a full orbit was reduced to just a few days or even hours? This seemingly small change could unleash a cascade of effects that would transform not only the moon and Earth, but the very conditions that make life possible on our planet. Today, we will embark on a journey to understand what would happen if the moon orbited Earth faster. What might be the results? What new dynamics would emerge? Let's explore these possibilities. The first step in understanding what a faster orbit would mean is to consider the mechanics of the moon's current orbital path. As it stands, the moon orbits Earth once every 27.3 days. This period, known as the lunar month, is the result of a finely tuned balance between the gravitational force that Earth exerts on the moon and the moon's velocity as it moves through space. The moon is locked in a delicate gravitational balance. The force of Earth's gravity pulls the moon inward, but the moon's motion at the right speed pushes it outward. If the moon were to orbit faster, this balance would shift dramatically. The moon would need to move closer to Earth to maintain its orbit at such a high speed. As the faster it moves, the stronger the gravitational force required to keep it tethered. If the moon's orbital period were reduced to, say, 10 days, it would need to be roughly 45,000 miles away from Earth, half the distance it currently maintains. If its orbit were reduced even further, to just a day, it could end up at a mere 10,000 miles above Earth's surface, well within Earth's atmosphere. This close proximity would mean the gravitational forces between Earth and the moon would grow exponentially stronger, setting the stage for some dramatic consequences. One of the most profound effects of a faster orbit would be on Earth's oceans. The moon's gravitational pull is the primary force that drives the tides. The oceans bulge and recede in response to this pull, creating the rhythm of tides that we are familiar with. But as the moon speeds up and moves closer to Earth, the gravitational force it exerts on the oceans would increase exponentially. Instead of the moderate rise and fall of tides we experience today, we would see extreme tidal fluctuations. The oceans would surge dramatically, sometimes rising and falling by meters rather than centimeters. Coastal areas that are normally protected from flooding would experience frequent, devastating inundations. Tides that once took 12 hours to complete their cycle would now occur multiple times a day, each tide larger and more intense than the last. The impact on human civilization would be catastrophic. Entire coastal cities and towns could be submerged by these relentless tides. Infrastructures like roads, bridges, and buildings would be destroyed, and the economic cost would be astronomical. The agricultural landscape would be altered as saltwater flooded fields, making them infertile. Marine ecosystems, too, would face total disruption. Species that rely on the tides for breeding and feeding would face extinction. Coral reefs, already under pressure from climate change, would be wiped out by the constant tidal force. Wetlands that serve as critical habitats for wildlife would be flooded and eroded. The balance of life in our oceans would tip into chaos, with unknown consequences for the global food chain. But the effects wouldn't just be felt at the coastlines. As the moon's orbit sped up, the friction between the Earth and the moon would also increase. This would lead to more frequent and intense seismic activity, shaking the planet's crust. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even the potential for increased volcanic activity would become more common, adding to the devastation. The moon's influence doesn't stop at the tides. It also has a critical role in controlling Earth's rotation. Over billions of years, the gravitational interaction between the moon and Earth has caused Earth's rotation to gradually slow down. This effect is known as tidal braking. As Earth's rotation slows, the length of our days has increased over time, from just a few hours billions of years ago to the 24-hour cycle we experience today. Now, imagine if the moon orbited faster. As the moon's proximity to Earth decreased, the tidal forces would not only increase but accelerate the process of tidal braking. This would cause Earth's rotation to slow down more rapidly. Over time, the length of Earth's days could increase dramatically. We could see days stretching to 48 hours, 72 hours, or more. With longer days, the world's climate would be radically altered. Days would become far hotter, with the sun remaining in the sky for much longer periods. The Earth would heat up during the prolonged day, while nights would grow much colder, with the heat rapidly escaping into space. This stark contrast would create extreme temperature swings between day and night, leading to unpredictable and violent weather patterns. This change would have a profound impact on all life on Earth. Our circadian rhythms, finely tuned to a 24-hour cycle, would be disrupted. Humans and animals that rely on the consistency of day and night would struggle to adapt. Plants would also face difficulties in photosynthesis, as the prolonged days would make it harder for them to maintain the processes they rely on for growth. But the most catastrophic effect of the moon's faster orbit would be the inevitable consequence of this change: the moon's collision with Earth. If the moon were to orbit faster, its path would become unstable. The closer it gets to Earth, the stronger the gravitational pull, and the faster it would move in its orbit, causing it to spiral inward. At first, this would seem like a slow process, taking millions or even billions of years. But the rate at which the moon's orbit decays would accelerate as the forces of gravity pull it closer and closer to Earth. Eventually, the moon would be on a collision course with our planet, a collision that would have cataclysmic consequences. When the moon collides with Earth, the energy released would be unimaginable. It would be a violent explosion of cosmic proportions, likely causing the destruction of much of Earth's surface. The impact would trigger massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions, unleashing global devastation. The collision would not just end with the destruction of life as we know it. The debris thrown up into space would create a cloud of dust and gas, blocking out the sun for years or even decades. This nuclear winter effect would cause temperatures to plummet, making it impossible for most life forms to survive. Narrator: the end result? Earth and the moon would cease to exist in any form we recognize, victims of their own gravitational dance gone horribly wrong. As the moon's orbit speeds up, its presence in the sky would become more than just a curiosity. It would be a constant, overwhelming force. No longer a calm orb rising and setting slowly, the moon would move across the sky with such speed that it could be visible multiple times in a single day. Its size would increase as it drew closer, casting a shadow across Earth that would change the landscape of every evening and night. For the people on Earth, the moon's increased size would create a constant reminder of the instability in the skies. Its gravitational pull would distort Earth's crust, leading to more frequent seismic events, and its dominance in the sky would be a stark contrast to the Earth's natural order. What was once a comforting celestial body would now become an unpredictable, potentially dangerous force. So, what would happen if the moon orbited Earth faster? The answer is a world transformed. Extreme tidal forces, violent weather, unstable geology, and eventually the catastrophic collision between Earth and the moon. The delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish for billions of years would be irrevocably disturbed. And yet, in this exploration, we can come to a deeper appreciation for the stability of our current situation. The moon's orbit, as it is one of nature's finest examples of balance, a perfect rhythm that has allowed life to thrive on Earth. In the vastness of the cosmos, this dance between Earth and the moon is nothing short of miraculous. If the moon orbited faster, that balance would be lost, and with it, much of what makes our world habitable. Sometimes, in the stillness of the night, we may look up at the moon and forget the delicate threads that hold us in place. But perhaps, in moments of quiet reflection, we can find gratitude for the balance that exists, a balance that keeps us safe, keeps us alive. For the moon's orbit, as it is more than just a celestial fact. It is the heart of the rhythm that keeps our world turning.